In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to create a new page in Notion and embed content using a link. We'll start from a Google search so you can get to the right place quickly. Then move into Notion to build your page and add the embed block smoothly. Begin on Google. In the search bar, type Notion and press Enter. You should see the official Notion website near the top of the results. Open it and make sure you're on the legitimate site before continuing. This keeps things secure and ensures you have the latest features and interface. Once you're on the Notion homepage, click Log In. Use your usual sign-in method and wait for your workspace to load. After you're in, you'll land on your Notion home or a recent page. From here, create a new page. Look for the New Page option. This opens a blank canvas where we'll set everything up. At the top, give your page a clear, descriptive title. Think about how you'll find it later. Short, specific titles work best, like Music Resources or Project Hub. Titles also help teammates recognize the page's purpose at a glance. Now click into the body area under the title. This is where the content lives, and where we'll add the embed. You'll usually see a hint about typing a slash for commands. That's exactly what we'll use next. Type /embed. As soon as you do, Notion will open a command menu and highlight the embed option. Click Embed. You'll see a field asking for a link. Paste the link to the content you want to display inside your page. This could be a video, a soundtrack, a document, or a design preview. Just make sure it's a shareable link. If the source requires permissions, confirm the link is publicly viewable or shared with your workspace. Otherwise, the preview might not load. After pasting the link, click Embed Link to confirm. Notion will fetch a preview and place the embed block in your page. Give it a moment to load. If you see a prompt about permissions or unsupported content, double-check the link or try the provider's dedicated share or embed URL. When the preview appears, you're done. You can continue adding text above or below the embed, and your page will keep everything organized in one place. That's the full process. Find Notion via Google, log in, create a new page, title it, click into the body, type, embed, choose embed, paste your link, and confirm with embed link. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Notion.